I just wanted to say happy birthday, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't come, and I wanted to make this video for you because I felt bad. I did feel really bad about it, but this is me talking to you, telling you a happy birthday. Wow, you're 16 now? That's really hard to believe. You don't really, never mind. I hope you have a really great birthday, and, I'm sorry again for missing it, so here's really cool music for the end, and kind of like an A and V at the end, but, here you go, happy birthday!
Edessämme vahvinkin on voimaton. Aika pysähtyy ja siirtyy vuoret paikoiltaan. Me emme järky vaikka tulta satais päälle maan. Heikoille voi olla liikaa kutsumetallia.